So it is this one and this one.
This one and this one.
So received, just received only. Does not indicate why he's receiving it for.
When they send him to take the money.
No, what I'm asking is, if the PA is sending him
19 million.
Yes.
what
You can imagine, and there is nothing
give him?
which is accompanied to it.
Yes.
Not even a voucher.
Yes. One is there.
The phone?
One is there.
You don't normally write vouchers
He
for them.
communicates it to you on the phone, and it says give 5 for this much. What does it to do? What is supposed to do?
Sure.
These are their own handwriting.
For what? Why don't you name the activity while you are giving
Dispensing money?